Hello, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 5 power x is equal to 5x plus 15. To find the value of x from this equation. From this problem, we are going to solve it by using Wolf-Alpha function, whereas Wolf-Alpha function, it is w bracket a e to the power of a bracket is equal to a. So let's start solving it. So it will be 5 power x is equal to, in here 5 is common, so we take 5 out of bracket. 5x divided by 5, it is x, then plus 15 divided by 5, it is 3 bracket. Then in next step we divide by 5 in both sides, so this and this will cancel. Then 5 power of, it will be 5 power of x over 5 is same as 5 power of 1 is equal to this x plus 3. Then in next step, this division of exponent to same base but different power, it will be same base of 5, then power of x minus 1 is equal to this x plus 3. Then in next step we divide by 5 power of x minus 1 in both sides. So 5 power of x minus 1 divided by 5 power of x minus 1, it is 1, is equal to this over this. So x plus 3 over 5 power of x minus 1. Then in next step it will be 1 is equal to this, which is x plus 3. Then this denominator will take into the numerator, so it will be bracket, then 5, because when we take into the numerator it will be negative, then bracket of this power, x minus 1 bracket. So it will be 1 is equal to x plus 3 bracket, then times 5, negative, we open the bracket to be negative x, negative and negative, it will be positive 1. Then in next step we take this into the left side and this one into the right side, so it will be x plus 3 bracket, then times 5 power of negative x plus 1 is equal to this 1. Now from here we are going to apply Wolf-Alpha function, which is w bracket a bracket is equal to a. Now the condition for alpha function, it should be same base same power is equal to this a. Now we can see the base x negative x, so it should be same power from this base. So to this negative x, this x, so we should multiply by negative 1 in both sides. Then it will be negative and x, it will be negative x, negative and 3, it will be negative 3, then bracket times 5 power of negative x plus 1 is equal to this, and this is negative 1. Then from here it is negative x, negative 3, 1. Now for this power to be negative 3, we will multiply by exponent so as to bring negative 3. So it will be negative x, negative 3 times 5 power of negative x plus 1, then times exponent with same base of 5 power of negative 4 is equal to this negative 1, then times, we will multiply by this exponent in both sides, so it will be 5 power of negative 4. Then it will be negative x, negative 3 times same base of 5, then it will be negative x, 1 plus negative 4, it is negative 3, then is equal to this negative times this, it will be negative 5 power of negative 4. Now in here we have same base same power, but in here it is 5. In Wolf-Alpha function it should be e. Then we'll apply the rule, which is e to the power of ln x is equal to x. So it will be e power of ln, because in here it is 5, it will be ln 5 is equal to 5. So in this position of 5, we'll substitute this. So it will be negative x negative 3 times e. We substitute this, so it will be this 5 will substitute this, so it will be e to the power of ln 5 bracket, then this negative x negative 3 is equal to negative 5 power of negative 4. Then in next step, it will be in here we have base of negative x negative 3, negative x negative 3, but we have more ln 5, so we should increase the base in here negative ln 5 in both sides. So we'll multiply by ln 5 and here multiply by ln 5. So it will be this, which is negative x negative 3 bracket, then times this ln 5, then times this e to the power of this negative x negative 3, then bracket, then this ln 5 is equal to this times this, which it will be negative 5 power of negative 4 times ln 5. Now from here we have same base of negative x negative 3 ln 5, negative x negative 3 ln 5. Now we can apply w function in both sides. So it will be w bracket of this, which is negative x negative 3 bracket times ln 5 times e to the power of negative x negative 3 bracket ln 5, then bracket is equal to w of this negative 5 negative 4 times ln 5 bracket. Then from here this, it will be, because we apply w in both sides, for this it will be same base, which is this, which is same power. So we will write this, it will be negative x negative 3, then bracket ln 5 is equal to, now this is equal to this, then it will be equal to this, which is w bracket negative 5 negative 4 times ln 5 bracket. Then it will be negative x negative 3 bracket ln 5 is equal to, in here it will be w, then bracket, we take negative out of bracket, so negative itself, it will be negative 1 bracket, then times 5 power of negative 4 times ln 5 bracket. So in here we already deal with this, now we're going to deal with this to apply w function. In the base we have negative, we have negative and ln 5. Also in the power it should be, we have negative 5 and ln 5. Also in the power it should be the same. Then in here 5 power of negative 4, 5 power of negative 4, it will be equal to 5 power of 1 times 5 power of negative 5. Now we can see we already get negative 5 in the power, so we'll substitute in this, we'll substitute this. So it will be negative x negative 3 bracket negative 5 is equal to w, then bracket this negative 1, let's write 1, then 5 to the power of negative 4, we substitute this, it will be 5 power of 1, it is 5 times this 5 power of negative 5, then times this ln 5 bracket. Then in next step it will be negative x negative 3 bracket negative ln 5 is equal to w, then bracket this negative 5, we take this ln 5 in here before, it will be ln 5, then times this 5 to the power of negative 5 bracket. Then Now we already get this at the base, -5 ln 5. In the power we have -5, but we don't have ln 5. So we apply the rule, which is e to the power of ln x is equal to x. So in x we'll substitute this 5, so it will be e ln 5 is equal to 5. So our equation, it will be -x -3 bracket ln 5 is equal to w bracket ln 5 ln -5 ln 5, then times, in here 5 we substitute this, so it will be e to the power of ln 5, then bracket this -5. Let's write here. So it will be -x -3 bracket ln 5 is equal to w, then bracket, it will be this -5 ln 5, then this -5 will take here before ln 5, so it will be times e -5 times ln 5 bracket. So it will be -x -3 bracket ln 5 is equal to, in here you can see same base of -5 ln 5, same power of -5 ln 5. So this is same as -5 ln 5. Then ln 5 is in both sides, so when we divide by ln 5 in both sides, this ln 5 will cancel this ln 5. So it will be -x -3 is equal to this -5. Then it will be -x is equal to -5. We take this -3 into the right side to be +3. Then it will be -x is equal to -5 plus 3, it is -2. We divide by -1 in both sides, so this and this will be positive, then x is equal to this and this will be positive. 2 divided by 1, it is 2. Therefore this is the final answer for the value of x in this problem. Now to check from our problem if the value of x is correct, our problem is 5 power x is equal to 5x plus 15. We substitute the value of x, which is 2, into these positions of x, so it will be 5 power of 2 is equal to 5 times 2, then plus this 15. So it will be 5 square, it is 25, is equal to 5 times 2, it is 10, then plus this 15. So it will be 25 is equal to this plus this, it is 25. So right side and left side are equal, then it's true for the value of x is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.